Ground anchor kit designed to work with private home swing sets, trampolines, or patio furniture. Safely anchor a metal frame playset into the ground, without concrete, for stability and durability. Help prevent your playset or outdoor furniture from tipping or blowing over during strong winds. Compatible with all XDP Recreation swing sets and many other 2-inch diameter tubing models. Includes 4 12.75-inch auger-style ground anchors, attachment hardware, and installation directions. Top reviews from the United States. Amazing strength. We purchased these anchors for our 12-foot trampoline. It hadn't rained in more than a month, so it was a bit difficult to twist them into the ground. We live in Iowa, and just a few weeks after we made this purchase, we experienced a weather event called derecho, which can be described as an inland hurricane. The winds were recorded at 112 miles per hour in my neighborhood and sustained for nearly 30 minutes. The trampoline lifted, but did not blow away. The anchors held. There was some damage to the anchors due to the storm, but they are still functional. Crumpled trampolines can be seen all over our city, but ours is still intact thanks to these super strong anchors.